So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Yatharth and you are watching Top 10 of the World. So today we're gonna talk about some beautiful top 10 places to visit in Leh Ladakh. So let's get started. And now the first place is Shanti Stupa. Shanti Stupa is a Buddhist white dome stupa on the hilltop of Chanspa, Leh district, Ladakh in North India. It was built in 1991 by a Japanese Buddhist called Gianamo Nakamura. The Shanti Stupa holds the relics of the Buddha and its base enriched by the 14th Dalai Lama. And the second place is Leh Palace. Leh Palace is a former royal palace overlooking the town of Leh Ladakh in the Indian Himalayas. It was constructed by circa 1600 by Senegi Namial. The place was abandoned when Dorga forces took control of Ladakh in the mid 19th century and forced the royal family to move Stoke Palace. And the third place is Hunter Sand Dunes. Nubra Valley in Ladakh holds so many surprises for the visitors. One such surprise awaits you at the Hunter Sand Dunes. Located about 10 kilometers from district village, unusually people think it's burn and one humper camel when the hard desert visits them mind, but a different picture awaits you in the Hunter. And the fourth place is Nubra Valley. Nubra is a subdivision and a tehsil in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. Its inhabited areas from a terraformed valley cut by the Nubra and Sihok rivers. Its Tibetan name Nubra means the valley of flowers. Demands have been raised and BJP has limited of creation of Nubra has a new district. And the fifth place is Magnetic Hill. Magnetic Hill is a cyclops hill located near in Leh Ladakh, India. The layout of the areas and surrounding slopes create the optical illusion of a hill. The hill road is actually a downhill road. Objects and cores in the hill may appear on the road uphill. And the sixth place is Pangong TSO. Pangong TSO or Pangong Lake is an endosphere lake spanning eastern Ladakh and West Tibet, situated on the elevation of 4,225 meters. It's 134 kilometers long and divided into 5 sublakes called Pangong TSO, TSO Nyayak, Ram TSO, and Nayak TSO. And the seventh place is Changla Pass. Changla is a high mountain pass in Ladakh at the elevation of 5,391 to 3,224 meters or 17,688 feet in the Ladakh ranges between Leh and the Saibek River Valley. It's one of the most highest mountable road in the world. Changla is approaches from the Leh via Kharu and Shakti village by the Asphalt Road. And the eighth place is Hemis Monastery. Hemis Monastery is a Himalayan Buddhist monastery, Gompa of the Darkapa Lerenging in the Hemis, Ladakh, in India, situated 45 kilometers from Leh. It was re-established from 1672 by the Ladakh king Senegi Namagayal. The annual Hemis festival honoring Padma Shri Bhava in the held there easily early in June. And the ninth place on our list is Kargil War Memorial. Kargil War Memorial is also known as the Drash War Memorial. Is a war memorial built in the Indian Army in the town of Drash, commemorating the 1999 wars between India versus Pakistan. The memorial is located at the Srinagar Leh National Highway, about 5 kilometers from the city center across the Tigers Hill. And the final place on our list is Hall of Fame. Hall of Fame is a Ladakh travel guide. Hall of Fame is a museum constructed by the Indian Army in the memory of the brave Indian soldiers who have laid down these lives defending in the motherland in the Indo-Pak War. The Hall of Fame Museum is located on the Leh Kargil Road, about 4 kilometers from the city of Leh. And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and also press the bell icon for any latest update. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.